over 30 years, Fuchun has been dedicated to the manufacturing of high-quality tire inner tubes, combining experience, technology, and responsibility. From the moment you enter our facility, quality control and precision are part of every detail. Our in-house R&D laboratory plays a critical role in product consistency and performance. Every inner tube is tested for strength, durability, and safety before reaching global markets. We are committed to environmentally responsible manufacturing, using optimized materials and processes to reduce waste and improve efficiency. Every test result is recorded and reviewed. This data-driven system allows us to maintain stable quality across large-scale production. With 30 years of manufacturing experience, 20 years of export history, Fuchun understands both product performance and global market standards. Fuchun Tyre Inner Tubes, built on technology proven by experience, trusted worldwide. Welcome to visit our factory. We promise to find you the right inner tube.